welcome back to Cheap and Green. I was really excited this past week because I finally got a payment from YouTube. My channel has been up and running for about 2.5 years, and of course, you know, there's rules and it takes a while to accumulate the money, and I finally had it deposited in my account and I was thrilled. And then a day later I got the email from YouTube saying that that may well be the first and last check that I will get from YouTube because they've changed the rules. Now, they've done this before. Back when I first started, it used to be 100 subscribers and then you could monetize your channel. Just as I was approaching that number, that's when they changed the rules to 500. Well, they've changed them again. They've changed the rules to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 viewed hours per year. This is a pretty high bar for, I would say, a really large proportion of YouTubers to be able to achieve. There's a lot of small people who have to invest a lot of money up front to get up and running, especially with YouTube's standards now. And they're going to be out of pocket that money for a really long time. So although this is out of our control, this is a YouTube policy and this is happening, we are not powerless. YouTube is a community, and it did start off being kind of grassroots, and I think there's still a huge grassroots community movement within YouTube. So we have the power to actually act and make changes, and we can make people move towards that 1,000 subscribers a little faster by investing a little bit of time and supporting the small channels so that they have the time to grow and, you know, be able to get a little bit of money to invest in better equipment and then keep going. So what I'm going to do in the comments is provide a list of all the YouTube channels that I really like that are small, just starting out, but definitely worth the time. If you're a YouTuber and you have a small channel and you'd like to be included on this list, please make sure that you send me a message and I will add your name. I'm going to try and just keep this going, and hopefully we can all support each other, just like the great community that YouTube is, and move closer towards that monetization goal. If you're a larger channel and you're already past that 1,000 subscriber mark, then I would encourage you to please support the other channels and add your voice to the community and try and get these smaller channels to a point where they are at least breaking even. Thanks for joining me today on Cheap and Green. This is a little bit off brand, but in a way it's not, because it's all about community and grassroots movement, right? So thanks again for joining me. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so, and I hope to see you next time. And please take a moment to like and subscribe to all the people on the list that I will be providing in the comments.